Welcome to the Astron Academy Dependency Manifest source code class. This episode follows one thread: why a workflow cannot simply copy local resource IDs, and how a dependency manifest lets it land safely in another environment. Start with the problem. Plugin, knowledge base, database, and nested workflow IDs are local addresses inside one deployment. In another deployment, the same ID may be missing, invisible, or point to an entirely different resource. A dependency manifest is not a copy of those resources. It is a portable contract for external requirements. It travels beside flowData and states what the workflow needs, while credentials and endpoints are intentionally excluded. In the latest source, a plugin entry can carry type, node ID, source tool ID, name, operation ID, version, contract hash, and stable key. The source ID supports a fast match. The other fields help identify a compatible target across environments. During export, build dependency manifest scans plugin nodes and tools inside agents, deduplicates by node and tool, then reads formal versions visible to the current user. The result contains public contract metadata, never runtime secrets. Import begins with defensive parsing. YAML duplicate and recursive keys are rejected. Aliases and nesting are capped, and the manifest accepts only known fields, unique node plus source pairs, and valid 64-character digests. Untrusted structure never reaches resolution. The resolver tries the source ID first. Only when that ID is missing or incompatible may it fall back to the name. An exact version wins, otherwise there must be one unique compatible candidate. Several logical tools with the same name produce ambiguity, not a guess. Why is a matching name insufficient? A name is only a label. Astron also checks operation ID, the target web schema, and the node's existing input-output contract. The contract hash is a hint, not a permission slip. Resolution has 4 outcomes: mapped, missing, ambiguous, and incompatible. Success writes the target binding and removes the marker. Failure clears the unsafe binding and records the reason and candidates on the node for visible repair. The decisive boundary is fail closed. An imported draft stays editable, but build, debug, chat, resume, and publish recheck authoritative resources. If a dependency remains unresolved or access was revoked later, execution stops before credentials are injected or core is called. This is the real Astron Agent workflow surface. Users import YAML here, inspect nodes, and explicitly repair dependencies. The interface capture is real. The resolution behavior comes from the verified public source. No production credentials or real business data are used. Keep this mental model. A local ID is an address. The dependency manifest describes identity and contract, and the target environment verifies and rebinds them. If safety cannot be proven uniquely, report the issue and wait for human repair.